Welcome back to our channel. Today the 2025 Chevrolet 2CV. The term 2CV is historically associated with Citroën, the French automaker, which produced the iconic Citroën 2CV from 1948 to 1990. This model was renowned for its simplicity, affordability, and distinctive design. Recent discussions have emerged about the potential revival of the Citroën 2CV. Reports from January 2025 indicated that Citroën was considering bringing back the 2CV as a retro-inspired city car, aiming to capture the essence of the original while catering to modern urban mobility needs. However, subsequent statements from Citroën's leadership clarified that there are no specific plans to reintroduce the 2CV. The company emphasized its focus on forward-looking designs and the development of affordable, innovative vehicles that align with contemporary market demands. In the context of Chevrolet, there is no association with the 2CV model. Chevrolet has been concentrating on its own lineup, with recent developments such as ending the production of the gas-powered Cadillac XT4 SUV in January 2025 to shift focus toward electric vehicles, including the next-generation Chevrolet Bolt EVs. Therefore, any reference to a 2025 Chevrolet 2CV appears to be a conflation of Citroën's historic model with Chevrolet's brand, and no such vehicle exists in either automaker's lineup.